Hello dear children of class 5. Today we will learn chapter 8 theme Birbal's Wit. It is very tell story. You heard the story Akbar and Birbal. And now related this story. The tales of Akbar and Birbal have been told since time immemorial. Birbal, famous for his wit and wisdom, always assisted Akbar in making the right decision, and he made sure that the emperor was just and reasonable. Here is a story that saw him playing the same role. So let's start a story. One cold morning, King Akbar and his courtier Birbal were walking along the bank of the Yamuna. The cold gust of wind made the king severe. He said, Birbal, can anyone stay in the cold water of the Yamuna all night? Yes, sir, replied Birbal. I shall bring one to you this afternoon. All right, said Akbar. If he is able to stay in the cold water all night long, I will give him 5,000 gold coins tomorrow morning. Birbal brought a washerman to the king that afternoon and told to the man that stay in the water of the Yamuna tonight and come to me tomorrow morning to get your reward. My soldier will be there to watch you. The next morning the man came to the king's court with 4 soldiers. He said, Your Majesty, I stayed in the water of the Yamuna last night. His soldier said, He is right, Your Majesty. He did not come out of the river even for a single moment. Akbar said to the man, Was the water not cold? How did you pass all the night in the cold water? The man said, Your Majesty, the water was very cold, but I passed the night looking at the light of your palace. Akbar retorted, Oh, you received warmth from the light of the palace. I won't give you any money, you may go. I wouldn't give you money, you may go. The washerman went to Birbal, bowing his head in disappointment, and told him what had happened at the court. The next day, Birbal did not go to the court. He put some rice and water into the small pot and tied to the top of the tall tree in front of his house. Then he made a fire on the ground under the pot and sat waiting. Akbar sent a messenger to Birbal's house to summon him to the court. Birbal said, Tell the king that I am preparing my meal and will come only after having eaten. Our told by the Birbal did not come to the court. Akbar sent to the messenger Birbal's house, and at last Akbar lost our patience. He himself went to Birbal's house and asked, What are you doing here, Birbal? Birbal told the emperor that he was cooking rice. Akbar looking at the pot tied of the high tree. Then he looked at the fire on the ground. He said, Are you mad, Birbal? Look, you can never boil you rice that way. It will boil, sir, replied Birbal. I am living in the kingdom of a great king. He possesses both the temporal and the spiritual powers. He is God-fearing and merciful in his people. See, miracles happen in the kingdom. Your Majesty, last night a washerman stood in the cold water of the Yamuna, warming himself from the light of the palace. So I am sure, sir, that is the water is in my pot of rice will also boil. Akbar understood what Birbal meant. He went back to the court and summoned the washerman. He gave him twice the amount of the reward. the washerman returned to his home, blessing the king's charity. Birbal returned to his court, passing the king's mercy and justice. So, students, it's a story brief. Please, you must read this chapter with meaningful and do exercise. Okay, thank you.